Okay, so this is the end of the 3-3 practice, Form K. So what we'll look at is this one for number 14, where 9 and 11 are. And it's pointing to right there, so those are alternate interior. And so Y is your transversal in this case, and so S and T would be your parallel lines. So you have S parallel to T, converse of alternate interior. S parallel to T, converse of alternate interior. So all those others were X parallel to Y, but this one's S parallel to T. Now, number 15, this one says a classmate said that AB is parallel to DC based on the diagram. Explain your classmate's error. You can't prove it with the lines and angles marked because it's not using the same transversal. Basically, this one's talking about a W angle. It would be AWZ, and a Y angle would be XYZ, and those are not on the same transversal, and so you can't assume anything about parallel lines. Now, what we've talked about before is if you already know things are parallel, then this angle and this angle would match from alternate interior, and then this with that one would be corresponding. And so you just can't prove it, but it still may be true. Any questions on 15? Okay, now on 16, you look at the drawing related to 1 and 2, which are over here, and we see that they're alternate exterior because they're further away and they're on two different sides of the transversal. So because of that, we do our equal sign. So we have 100 minus x equal to 40 plus 2x. And from there, just solve it. I add x to both sides to get 3x, subtract, and I get 60. 60 divided by 3 is 20. So x equal 20 is one of your answers. And then you just plug it into them, and you should get the same answer. 100 minus 20 is 80. And 2 times 20 is 40, and 40 plus 40 is 80. So that's how you know you got that one right. Any questions? And then number 17, it's still the same figure, so you set these equations equal. So 90 minus 6x equal 100 minus 8x. Remember, if you wanted to, you could have moved any of the 4 terms, but I just chose to move the negative 8x, so it'd be a positive term over here. So if I add 8x to both sides, I get negative 6 plus 8 is 2. So 90 plus 2x equal 100. From there, I want to subtract 90 from both to get 10, and then 10 divided by 2 is 5. So x equal 5 is your answer. And then also plug it into here, like 90 minus 6 times 5, which is 90 minus 30, and that's 60. And if you do 8 times 5, you get 40. Guess I'll write this. 8 times 5 is 40, and then we do 100 minus 40, and you also get 60. So make sure you get angle 1 and 2 as both 60. Any questions about that? Okay. All right, little 5-minute video to end it. 4-minute video.